Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making roasted strawberries and mascarpone slices. The thing I'm going to do is cut my puff pastry sheet into 10 rectangles. I have lined a baking tray with greaseproof paper. I'm now going to take my rectangles and lay them in the tray. I'm now going to take another sheet of greaseproof paper and lay it over the top, and grab the same tray and place it over the top of my greaseproof paper and puff pastry. With the other tray on the top, I'm going to lay another sheet of greaseproof paper and add the rest of my puff pastry. I have preheated my fan oven to 200 degrees. I'm going to bake them in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until they go golden brown. Halfway through the cooking time, I'm going to take the top tray off and the tray underneath I'm going to place on top of these ones. I have another baking tray which I have put greaseproof paper on. I'm now going to add my strawberries onto the baking tray. I'm going to sprinkle over 50 grams of caster sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm now going to roast them in my oven for 15 minutes. I'm going to put my saucepan onto a medium heat. I'm going to add 200 grams of caster sugar and 250 millilitres of water. I'm going to whisk it until the sugar has dissolved. Now my sugar has dissolved, I'm going to grab my thermometer. I'm going to wait till it reaches 110 degrees. Now it's reached 110 degrees, I'm going to turn the heat off. In my bowl, I'm going to whisk my eggs. I'm going to whisk my eggs until they become thick and pale. Now it is thick and pale, I'm going to start pouring in my syrup. Now that everything has cooled down, I can start bringing everything together. I'm going to take one slice of my puff pastry and take my piping bag full of mascarpone cheese . I'm going to take my roasted strawberries and lay them on top. And then a spoonful of my syrup. I'm going to take another layer of pastry, push it down on top and repeat the same process. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.